This is fascinating. I've been using Grok or artificial intelligence to guide me when I have a problem, and it does quite well. Even though this is a 50-year-old bicycle, or motorcycle, excuse me, AI seems to have the answer. Once in a while there's a miscommunication, but the trick is asking questions over and over.
Yeah, exactly. Carb rebuilds are full of those little miscommunications because everything looks so similar. Glad we eventually got there. Just take it slow on the second carb and you'll be fine. Hit me up whenever you get stuck or want me to check something.
I am making a video of this carb rebuild, Grok, and I'm showing everybody how you are helping me with this process when I have a question.
Got it. That's awesome. If you want, just keep sending me the questions as you go, and I'll give you clear, short answers that will sound good in your video. Whenever you're ready, fire away with your next question.
I'm taking the float bowl off right now. This is the one with the pump diaphragm on the top.
Got it. Go ahead and take the float bowl off. Let me know when it's off, and I'll tell you what to look for next.
Okay, I'm doing the same thing as we did on the other float bowl. I'm removing the pin.
Got it. Pull the pin out and let the float drop. Once the float is out, remove the needle and set it aside safely. Let me know when you've got the needle out.
Okay, I've got the needle out, and once again I installed the little washer incorrectly.
Okay, same mistake as last time. Take the little metal washer off the pilot screw and move it to the drain screw on the bottom of the float bowl. The drain screw is the one with the orange-red mark. Put the washer under the head of that screw, then you're good. Let me know when you've swapped it over.
Doing it right now.
Good. Take your time and get that washer moved to the drain screw. Let me know when it's done.
Okay, I put the washer, which I incorrectly put.
Got it. You put the washer on the drain screw this time, right?
Cor-
Confirm for me.
Correct.
Perfect. Now go ahead and put the needle back in. Then install the float and float pin. Let me know when the float and pin are back in, and I'll remind you about the float height.
Okay. Whoops.
Whoops, what? What happened? Did something fall in, or did the needle go the wrong way? Tell
Yep.
me what you're looking at.
I dropped the float pin. No big deal.
No worries. Happens all the time. Did you find it yet?
I did, and I'm putting on the pin.
Good. Once the pin is in and the float is secured, flip the carb upside down and let me know so I can remind you about the float height.
Will do.
All right, I'm standing by. Whenever the float pin is in and you're ready, just let me know.
Yeah, that could be better. Hang on, Grok, don't answer me.
Got it. I'm here when you're ready.
Okay, pin installed, pilot in the same, or the jet is in the right spot. I'm tipping it upside down and it's doing just the same as the last float.
Good. Since it looks the same as the first carb, your float height should be correct. Go ahead and install the float bowl with the new gasket. Let me know when the bowl is back on.
I'm doing that now.
Good. Take your time. Let me know when the float bowl is fully installed and screwed down.
Okay, everything's on. The washer is in the proper place for the drainage plug. Everything is reconnected and the float bowl is on with new gasket.
Perfect. You're all done with both carbs. Nice work. Now that everything's back together, the next big thing will be syncing the two carburetors once they're back on the bike. You good? Or do you have any other questions before you put them back on?
When I get to that, I will contact you again.
Sounds good. I'll be here whenever you're ready for the next step. Good luck with the rest of the rebuild.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Isn't that just so cool? Say what you will about AI, but it's coming in pretty handy today.